Hello everyone, I'm Jack.
And I'm Freddie.
And today we're making
a shield. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
I feel like every parent that loves being in a workshop knows this problem. The kids want to get involved, they see us sawing, drilling, cutting, and they want to copy us. But the reality is tools are just too dangerous and you can't hand a 4-year-old a circular saw. So do we just say no?
No.
No. Well, I think I found the solution. Meet the Beaverbot. This little machine is basically a safe, kid-friendly CNC cutter. But instead of using spinning blades and sparks, it uses pressure and some really clever mechanics to cut cardboard, foam, and even vinyl. And being for kids suitably, it works in 3 simple steps. Freddie can start it with a simple nose tap on one button, no complicated controls or fiddly menus. It will then cut through the cardboard in any shape that we choose. And once all of those pieces are cut, we put them all together and the fun begins. And the thing that really sold me is that this thing has been through over 12,000 rounds of safety testing. It's gone through durability checks, jamming resistance. Basically, it's been tested in every single way that a kid could possibly play, interact, or touch this thing. Which is great because it means no loose parts or choking hazards, there's no exposed blades, just a one-way punching system, and you're not left with endless amounts of cardboard mess all over your living room. There's actually a built-in tray in the back that collects the relatively small amount of cardboard cuttings, which Freddie has actually managed to find a use for. He was just making potions with it the other day. So for the first time, Freddie can actually build something real with me in the workshop without me having to watch him like a hawk worrying about his fingers. All right, Freddie, we are going to make a superhero shield. Now, normally, when we do this, you'd get Daddy to go in the workshop.
But I don't need any pens.
You don't need any pens, no? Normally, we'd go in the workshop and Daddy would make it out of wood and you'd watch from outside the window, wouldn't you? This time, Freddie's in charge, isn't he? Right, so you want to do a circle. Should Daddy do a circle?
Yeah, can I do it?
You want to do it with me?
Yeah.
All right, let's get a good circle. Ready, and here's a circle. There we go. Right, it's time to cut it out on your cutter. Now here's the bit that really blew me away. Freddie has literally 2 weeks ago turned 4, and you can see just how easily he's using this thing. He's cutting out shapes, he's keeping quite clean lines, all at the press of a button, and the Beaverbot just does the work, and honestly, he loves it. And what really impresses me, and not just with Freddie, but his friends that have played with this as well, is they're all incredibly confident with it. Usually at the age of 4, you'd be giving them crayons and a bit of paper and hoping for the best. But here he is, actually cutting out his own superhero shield and a pretty complicated letter F to stick on the front. It gives him, and potentially your children, a way to feel the same way that we do when we're in our workshop. You know, that pride of making something, but in a way, for him, that is completely safe. Also, if you are interested in getting your kids one of these, make sure to use the link in the description, which is Jack20, and you'll receive 20% off your entire order. So me and Freddie have now cut out the shape of the circular shield, and what letter is this, Freddie? For?
Freddie!
Yeah! So now it is actually over to Mummy because I'm not allowed to paint. And we're going to get these decorated. Whilst Freddie is in the house painting his shield, I just wanted to talk you through some of the accessories that are available for the Beaverbot. All of these can be found on the Beaverbot website. But this includes a precision cutting rail, which keeps cuts perfectly straight with an adjustable fence, a curved tool which makes circles and curves easy and accurate, an angle tool which adds clean angles for more complex shapes and patterns, and a connection kit which is mainly made up of bolts and connectors which allow you to join all of these little projects together and allow your kid to bring out their inner engineer by moving and bending these cardboard builds. And you can also find a bunch of these pre-made mission kits on their website, which are really just a series of cardboard drawings that are ready to cut out. So if you didn't want to draw them out by hand, you can pick these up and they're relatively cheap, which is nice. So Freddie, now we've got your blue shield and your big F, and we've also made a handle to go on the back. What do we do next?
We stick it on the back.
So underneath the top of the Beaverbot, we can just pull this out.
Yeah.
And in here, what have we got?
Got some tools.
So the Beaverbot does come with this little hole maker here.
Yeah.
So we're going to push it through. Right, let me help you. Can you push one through here? That's it. And then
Can I do a bigger one?
Yeah, and then let's do another one here.
Here.
Right there, yeah, that's it. Push.
Yeah.
Now the Beaverbot, if you get the accessory pack, will come with these little screw bits in here. And we're going to get 2 screws out. And we're going to put our screws through the front side here. We're going to screw those in.
If you need any help, I just use these.
Thank you. And then we'll do the same there. And we'll screw in.
So I do it.
There we go. So now we've got our handle on the back. And the last thing we're going to do is attach our F to the front side. And we have our superhero shield.
Yeah. I'm ready to shield.
For me, the reason that I think this is such a great idea, number one, is that it is completely safe. There's no sharp blades here, and there's no risk that your little one is going to injure themselves. Number two, cardboard is free, and if you get a lot of Amazon deliveries, you'll have plenty of cardboard. Number three, the kids actually get the thrill of building something. You know, usually when you do this, you might, as the parent, use the scissors, cut it out, and then over to the kid to colour it. Here, they're fully involved in every step of the process. And for me, as a dad, honestly, most importantly, it's given me and Freddie a way to bond in the workshop without the stress of real power tools. All right, Freddie, so now we've made your shield. What do you want to make next?
Sword.
A sword? Yeah. And this is the thing. Once you get started, it is really hard to stop. Should we make our sword? That's it from me. You can find a discount code to the Beaverbot in the description below. And until next time, happy building.